In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a column in Snowflake, a cloud-based data warehousing service. Renaming columns in Snowflake can be a straightforward process, but it requires understanding a few key concepts and taking certain precautions. So, let's walk through this together. First, let's talk about why you might need to rename a column in Snowflake. When managing databases, clarity in naming conventions is essential for maintaining clean and understandable datasets. Whether you're making a name more accurate or aligning with a new naming standard, a well-executed column rename can improve the usability of your dataset substantially. Now, to carry out the renaming process, you'll need to use an SQL command. The main command we will use is the alter table statement with the rename column clause. But before executing this, you should confirm a few prerequisites to ensure a smooth operation. One of the most important things to understand is that you must have the ownership privilege on the table you're working with. This is a permission setting that allows you to make structural changes to the table. Once the necessary privileges are verified, you'll need to select the new name for your column. It's crucial to choose a name that doesn't conflict with any existing column names in your table. Having duplicates can lead to errors and confusion, so double-checking this is a must. The command you'll use follows a specific syntax. Open up your SQL editor where you've connected to your Snowflake instance and prepare to execute the following. Alter table, followed by the name of your table. This indicates to Snowflake that you wish to make a change to the specified table. Next, use the rename column clause. After this, you'll state the current name of your column, followed by the new name you wish for it. So the full command will look something like this. Alter table, then your table name, then rename column, followed by your old column name, and to your new column name. Let's talk through an example. Suppose you have a table called Sales Records, and inside it, there's a column called MPD, which you want to rename to Employee ID. The command would be written as alter table sales records, rename column imp ID to employee ID. Make sure everything is typed correctly, and then execute the command. If everything checks out, the column will be renamed instantly. You'll be able to verify the change by running a select statement to see that the column name has been updated as you intended. And there you have it. Renaming a column in Snowflake is that simple, as long as you pay attention to the privileges and avoid name conflicts. I hope you found this guide helpful and clear. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to explore more Snowflake tutorials on our channel.